They really benefited from ALEKS and the learning they could do in ALEKS, and the fact that they could review those prerequisite topics and find those holes in their knowledge, so they could really get a deeper understanding of our material.
ALEKS is great because it enables us to tailor the class to their background. So it's great that ALEKS enables them to get caught up on prerequisite material that they need when they need it, at times that work for their schedule.
So I think because the students really enjoyed using ALEKS, that it was motivating for them. Like they can see the progress they're making, and they're eager to keep making progress.
So they spent a lot of time not only thinking about the math, but discussing it with each other. And I think that really helps student understanding.
I think it goes back to that they have to be more active learners. And so I think it's a shift for me, and it's a shift for them, that they are very used to that idea that they are going to sit and listen to this course being explained to them. They're going to watch examples, and they'll practice on their own, or maybe, like I said, at the end of class. But here we were figuring out what it was they did know, what they didn't know, and they had to be active the entire time.
And so now they have a dialogue where they're growing in that understanding because they're discussing it together with each other.
Students are not just listening to the instructor and hearing the instructor's mathematics, but they're also engaging and talking to their peers, and more of the students' mathematics is being brought into the class and discussed.
I think just being in this adaptive course and knowing that your teacher cares about you and knowing that you kind of have this support structure can be really empowering and help you kind of take control of your math class again.
You're in charge of going and getting the knowledge from the ALEKS class, from the different ways that we have of getting it, and the students are learning how to learn.
They had to take a little more control of their learning. They were expected to be present in class and to do something in class, whereas before that really wasn't the case. They were held to a higher standard of knowing all of the material, not just this certain set of problems. They had to know everything that we expected in this ALEKS course.
Fun. Fun is the key word, and that's what we heard from the student focus group. I'll quote one of the students. One of the students said, I hated math all through middle school, high school. This was, I think, the second time or third time the student had been taking college algebra here at OSU. The student says, I hated math. I love this. I think that sums it up.